Jeevamrutham or Jeevamrut is a way of farming crops without the use of chemicals. The method advocates whatever a crop needs are there in the soil, and all we need to boost these traits to get the maximum harvest. It denounces the use of chemicals, as the chemical kills all the microbes in the soil. Jeevamrutham suggests that microorganisms in these natural resources are the most important factor that crops require. Padma Shri Subhash Palekar is the brain behind this way of cultivating. His way of farming is known as Subhash Palekar Natural Farming. Earlier it was known as Zero Budget Natural Farming. In this video, we will show how to make Jeevamrutham. Hi friends. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you're not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. This is the Jeevamrutham, which is prepared in 200 liters of water. It is sufficient to 1 acre of land. This is completely organic liquid fertilizer. Jeevamrutham Ingredients. At first you have to take 3 kilograms of normal soil. It is better to take rockless soil. This is jaggery solution. We have made this solution by mixing 2 kilograms jaggery in water. This is 2 kilograms flour. You can take any pulses powder. And this is 10 kilograms cow dung. This is cow urine solution. We have taken 4 liters of cow urine in water. Jeevamrutham preparations. Take cow urine solution in large container. Add cow dung to cow urine solution. Mix it thoroughly. Next you have to add soil and mix it properly. Then add jaggery solution. It will increase multiplication rate of microorganisms in Jeevamrutham. Mix it properly. Now add flour to it and mix it again. It takes little bit more time to mix with solution. Now pour the solution into barrel. We have already taken little water in barrel. Again make solution of remaining cow dung, cow urine, jaggery, soil and flour. Follow the same method to prepare the solution. Put it in barrel and fill the barrel by adding water. Then stir the barrel by the help of long stick. You have to stir the solution in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Keep the mix under shade for 14 days, and mix well the mixture 2 times a day until 7 days complete. After 14 days the mix can apply under any trees or plants. How to use Jeevamrut for plants. The mix can be used for any plants. Make sure to further dilute the mix depends upon the size of the plant. If it's a new seedling, dilute a liter of Jeevamrutham into 10 liters of clean water. If it is a grown plant such as long beans or cucumber, dilute the mix into 5 liters of clean water and apply. Expiry date. The mix can be used for 7 days, and after 7 days the microorganisms will begin to decay. Twice in a month, one can use the mix. Do not apply the mix on dry soil as it will immediately kill the microorganisms in the mix. Water the soil before applying the mix. This system may help a lot of farmers. Share this video with your all friends. We need your support to do this kind of work. Your likes and comments will motivate us to do more work. Please do like and comment your thoughts. It may boost the YouTube algorithm and it will help to reach more farmers. Please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we publish the videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.